My name is Wong Ching. Today I will discuss a few questions from the accounting expert. Firstly, the first question is what is the role of accounting in promoting sustainable practice? Accountants often use triple bottom line principle as their goal, which include a few aspects, including environmental, social, and economic. They also obtain knowledge of different schemes and tradable permits to provide support to their company. Accountants also make plans to reduce tax burden in order to sustain the business. Thirdly, they also do preparation of information and reporting which relate to the corporate social responsibility and sustainability. This is to contribute the interpretations of reports and decision making of the company. Secondly, the question is what kind of tensions exist in sustainability reporting and other outside-oriented information? Firstly, it is difficult to report corporate social responsibility information in a short period of time, as CSR practice happens only over a long period of time. We have to use a longer period of time to observe and monitor this kind of corporate social responsibility activities. So we need a long period of time to report these activities. Secondly, there is also some conflicts on the ideas of what sustainability report should include. There will be a lot of conflicts on different aspects, including economic, social, and environmental. The company often have to choose which to prioritize first, and when there is conflicts between the aspects, they have to choose and there will be some conflicts happen. Thirdly, the report have to fulfill different stakeholders and sometimes the market expectations as well. Therefore, there may be some conflicts between each stakeholder and the market. So it will be difficult for the report to fulfill all of the expectations, so there will be conflicts between them. Lastly, the report has to be comprehensive but focus on the key aspect as well, so this causes some tensions. Thirdly, the question is all organizations wish to manage their external use, so is it inevitable that business develop some kind of facade? There are a few types of facades, including rational facades, which stands for economic beneficial, and secondly, there is a progressive facades, which means to embrace new technologies. Lastly, is the reputation facades, which is sensitive to society and environment. When the company wish to bring changes to the organizations, the facades will hide the trial and error of the organizations. This is to make the launch appear orderly and without any mistake. And I think that it is inevitable that the company to develop some kind of facades as there are more people are now aware of different aspects, especially the sustainable development. Company has to do so in order to attract more customers or investors. The fourth question is, under what circumstances can the provision of corporate social responsibility information actually bring measurable benefits? Under the provision of corporate social responsibility information, it improves the brand reputations and increases the competitiveness of the organizations compared to their competitors. It is also an effective marketing to reinforce existing customers and to attract new customers. When there is more customers in the organizations, this will increase the market shares in that sector. It also will reduce the use of resources and save energy when there is the provision of corporate social responsibility information. So this will help the company to save costs as well. With the provision of corporate social responsibility information, the employee feel proud of the company and they are willing to retain in the company and be loyal and to commit to the company. Therefore, they can produce more and in a high quality manner. With the provision of information, this increases the transparency of information of the company, so the risk of investing will decrease, and this can attract more investors to invest into that organization. The last question is there a role for the public sector in promoting sustainability reporting? I think that there is a role for the public sector to promote sustainability reporting, and there are a few roles including creating foundations and use legal regulations and financial resources effectively. And public sector should use public finance to achieve sustainable development. And they should act as a role model for other private sector to show that the policies and practice of sustainability. Lastly, the role is to encourage companies from private sector to do the sustainability reporting as well. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.